ach mín dáchas sin leach slí tron stream tú dáchas gan ric sin éidirn. Can you leis go fat ar fáilh sa sin, an mé sian a léh bhí in DLC seo ach mí mód is an éidirn a ré.
Asar's trading rivals are defeated. The river is clear. Now we'll see about this so-called King of Dublin.
Aye. Wait, oh.
Azar, the river is clear, save for a few bodies and sticks. Your goods will get through.
Your reputation comes honestly then, though I am not sure about the name Wolf-Kissed.
The scar on my neck.
My Viking name would then be Azar One-Eye.
Thank you, Azar One-Eye. My men will help construct your trade post.
Then I am twice indebted to you. If ever you change your mind about Ireland, I will be found in the trade post, once built. Oh, and I found your letter. Here.
Hey, look what food. Irish outpost. Eva. Oh, cousin. Dachas. Joe, you knew a shop.
My cousin Barith is alive, and King of Dublin. The Norrenian never failed to delight.
Eivor, are you prepared to go to Ireland?
Ha!
Azar, you did not tell me the king was my cousin.
It was most amusing this way, was it not? A little mystery.
I prefer to know what is what. But it was a pleasant surprise.
He's eager to see you. Shall we set sail?
Yeah, I would like to see this land.
Dh'Èirinn.
And my cousin
As you
Barith.
cheat, Dh'Èirinn. Cluicheamaid game Assassin's Creed Slan and Dh'Èirinn. Achta bhí sin. Well, cuan ahrachig an sa bhíon é hala. Trasna dtonnta. Dh'Èirinn. Agus nuair is acu
Ireland, a patchwork of petty
Enemy and a
fields
miniature.
jostling for hills and pastures and green glens. My adopted isle.
Julie Fowlis it a soundtrack or song Wrath of the Druids.
Snows as ice is King of Dublin.
Dublin is a Viking city, Eivor, but in fact, merchants and
clear.
beggars come from all parts to parade in its muddy streets.
Oh, to think of Barith as king of a city.
It perhaps sounds grander than it is. Ireland has many kings. They litter the countryside, and Barith's throne is not secure. Flann Sinna calls the tune.
Who is he?
Soon to be crowned High King of all Ireland. Flann distrusts Vikings, though he needs them.
Barith will find a way. As a boy, he wasn't much of a fighter, but somehow always came out all right.
I'm sure what you say is true. Certainly, he is loved by his people.
Right. Yeah, Shashin. Clear. Cad rit get the electje on maar I have me heen kind of game that wow. Shorty ras kan ja. Wie lang show. Die Dalka gaatje maar.
crew can find lodging here. Come, let us find Barith.
Barith?
Eivor! Blood of my blood! Look at you! You have Aunt Rosta's cheekbones!
And you, the 7-year-old, lives in you still.
It has been a long stretch since we pelted old Ganfrid with apple cores.
He never forgave us that.
And Sigurd in the clan? How goes with all?
There's much to tell you, Barith. But let me breathe your Irish air.
Thank you for keeping my ports from being set ablaze in my absence.
My ports? Yes, old man. I can rule my city even without you here. Eivor, you arrive in good time. I'm hosting a feast in honor of my son, Sigfrid. He is 17 today.
A 17-year-old son.
And rather a difficult boy at that. Come, there's much to show on the
A
way
mór
to
an
the
brín an san
Kingship, a
episode
son,
na seo.
and a castle. Truly, you have a fine life, Barith.
Ó bheith.
It is a wooden house. Finely crafted, to be sure, but in Shiraz, it would be home to a middling rug merchant.
Lead me to your rock merchant's wooden hovel, Barith.
Okay. Tell him Karen
Just look at her dogs. Wee babe of a city,
Dive.
but the
I'll go
biggest
shop.
port in all Ireland.
You cannot appreciate Irish air without enduring the stench of our dogs.
It is upon the strength of this port I plan to secure my kingship.
Azar told me that your throne may not be entirely steady.
King Flan.
And you listen to the Cluicheamaid ach so go heen answer Karen background mar go big het down your brín le Karen blasan chainch éireach. Oh, on that Os go déitsin at Gàidhlig gote go déitsin I Gàidhlig sin le ach dulich an sin na chorcaí. Well, the Sandy got there nach beach at College Communication. Nach faction.
Dublin's vast trade web will bring wealth to all Ireland. If Flan can be made to see that, my kingship and that of my children's children will be safe.
I cannot guarantee your throne, but a vast trading web is within my power.
No one else I'd trust my commerce to, old man.
You let them call you that.
I call him worse things.
Barith, my king! I still owe you a horn of ale.
Orth, my king.
This is where I leave you.
I feel really close to Kumal a mach Markabeg. Son Cham Gàidhlig. Or has on an passing on to game at the state then if a brín Sean Verla. So we should mahin clench.
I'll be there shortly.
Easy. Well, has she done an actual Lachlanach, so that you not be an here, but it could be
Aoife, this is my cousin, Eivor. Show her the bow I had you make for her.
This is for me. The craftsmanship is beautiful.
Me best work. Give her a try. Hit the targets before the sand runs out. Think you can get them all?
I just want to get a feel for how the bow handles.
That's sure.
Watch my arrows fly.
I certainly will. Go!
I think I know. Hey, so I can light boom.
Damn good shot!
It is a very nice bow. Thank you, Barith.
Steps off the boat after a long sea voyage and shoots like a master.
Nor scale bow.
Don't get
Well done,
distracted.
cousin. Wait, is that a house of God?
Aye, Christ's own church. Ireland is mostly Christian now, and so is Dublin. Many Norse chew the wafer.
You make a place for them.
Them? I myself have a place in Christ's house, as I do in the house of Thor. So long as a god has my back, he has my altar. I've built this city up from rubble. 20 years ago, us Vikings were beaten. The Irish took revenge and sacked Dublin.
The Tsar told me that it is a Viking city.
Norse founded it, and I nursed it back to health. When I became king, I was king of a mud pit.
Kijk, misschien moet ik wel mijn kleintje duinje opbrengen. Weet je, lachblenish, maar ik ben nierwisch, schaam nierwisch. Zo, weet je, nu als je aan een paaltje neerlegt, ik ben schaam geilig aan.
My only regret is that my mother and my wife aren't here to greet you. They've gone on pilgrimage to the mountains just now. The waters there improve mother's health. I am left to discipline my wayward son.
And to host a banquet.
Which should be already underway.
Okay, I'll quite around.
Up, Barad, Fodia!
Here we are. Please, go enjoy yourself. I must have a word with my son. Come meet him before the night's out.